Small talk.
Pusong pagdamay niya eh.
Conversation that makes me impatient. I can tell thinking of something. Last night we more than planned. Just so we can change your mind.
Hindi, napasalamat. Baka doon na? Baka doon na, nila.
Call me, no answer. Won't you text me when you feel like it feels right to you? Just to let me down, down, down.
96, 97, 96.
Don't tell me you're running away. All of the breath fades around me, round and round. Don't kiss me right now. All you is just leave it. If you tell me it hurt me, well, let's never leave tonight. But you don't mean it. Sitting there without mental health. But you don't mean it. Why do you let those words come out of your mouth? If you don't mean it. You been staring at me with a heart all down, all down. Kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me, don't show